This is the April Look Fantastic box. This edit is called The Power is in the Formula. Let's have a little look to see what we've got. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video I have this. So this is the April Look Fantastic box, and I've just noticed there is a sticker on there. I think there is obviously one on there every month. I've just never really took notice of it. It just says on there V3, so I'm taking it that's variation 3 box. And it was packed by Ben, so thank you Ben very much for supplying me with the goods. So let's open this up and see what we have. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. Trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. Got a couple hundred more to go, so hopefully fingers crossed that will be very soon. And yeah, I'm going to link a video here that's going to show you what prizes are going to be in my giveaway, because I'm doing a giveaway when I get to 2,000 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe. The main prize is the 2021 glossy advent calendar, which is awesome. Here is the box. It's a lovely light orange, it's like a peachy colour box. Let's get in here. Oh. So yeah, we have the edit card or booklet. It has information on all the products in the box, so we will be looking at that throughout the video. So let's just open this on up and have a little sneak peek. So there is a little sneak peek for you. If you are interested in purchasing this box for yourself, it's £15 per month. I have a link. I'll pop that link in the information box and the comment box. And yeah, you get £5 off your first box if you use it, so definitely take advantage of the fact. With this box, is it 6 products we get in here every month? I think it is. Yeah, we get 6 products in here every month, and they can range from skincare, hair care, beauty tools and makeup. The longer you subscribe, the cheaper it gets, so they do a 3, 6 and a 12-month subscription. But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. Right, so back to the edit card, it just says the name of the edit on here, and it just says there's power in the formula. That sounds very interesting indeed. On the back here, it has a little sneak peek of what is in next month's box. So let's have a look. So it is a Rituals product, and it's the Ritual of Karma Body Shimmer Oil. Oh, very nice. That'll be nice if you're having a night out or something. Get a little sparkle on your skin. But there it is there. Love Rituals. There is a huge editor's note here. I am not going to be reading all that out. I will be here forever if I do that. So I'm just going to read parts of it. So it just says, this month is all about the ingredients, from vitamin C to aloe vera and hyaluronic acid. These magical molecules combine in all sorts of ways to create the most powerful and transformative products we know and love. This month we've tracked down some of the most in-demand ingredients of 2022 and combined them to form this month's beauty box. But that's not all. Within these pages you'll find the insight and little facts about these powerful formulas, so that you will be more informed connoisseur of beauty. Fab. Right, so yeah, I'm not reading anymore. Let's just get on with it. I'm getting a bit excited now. In the edit booklet, it has pictures here of everything. So there'll be some products here that aren't in your box. On the next page, we have the first 4 products. I think everybody gets these in their box. The other products that are in the box aren't in here, so we'll have to just read what's on the back of the product. Product number 1, we have this. So this is by the brand Australian Body Care, and this is tea tree oil. You get 10 mils in here, and it's worth £8.99. It just says, although the benefits of tea tree oil have only been officially recognised since 1923, it has been used by Aboriginal Australians for thousands of years to improve the appearance of the skin. Use the oil to smooth and cleanse your hair and skin. Okay, so personally I wouldn't advise putting on this kind of oil straight onto your skin. Obviously you can if you want, everybody is different. I would mix this with something so it's not so concentrated on your skin. I think I am going to use this whenever I put a hair oil in my hair. I'm going to add a few drops of this into the hair oil, because from what I've read, ages ago by the way, from what I've read, this promotes hair growth. So yeah, definitely gonna do that. But yeah, very happy to get this. It's really nice to see something different in a beauty box. So product number 2, we have this. So this is by the brand Philip Kingsley, such a good hair brand, and this is Elasticizer Booster. You get 20 mils in here, and this has a value of £4.50. It just says this unique product delivers a rush of moisture inside the hair cuticle and is especially beneficial for extremely damaged hair. This super moisturising intensive treatment adds silkiness, suppleness, elasticity and bounce and strength. Fab. It just says before shampooing, wet your hair, apply this in sections, work into your hair with your fingertips, cover with a shower cap and leave on for 20 minutes and then rinse out. Cool. So I think I have a Philip Kingsley Elasticizer in my hair mask drawer. I just haven't got around to using it yet. But I have tried some products by Philip Kingsley. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying this out. Number 3, we have this, and this is by the brand Avant, a very expensive brand. This is a lip balm and it's worth £56. It just says on here it's age restoring. So this just says, for a satin smooth hydrated lips, this smoothing balm aims to leave your lips irresistibly soft. It combines the perfect formula of hyaluronic acid and shea butter. Hyaluronic acid aims to penetrate deeply into the lips to hydrate and instantly help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around the mouth. Yeah, I think this is great. I would never be able to afford anything from Avant if it wasn't for these beauty boxes that I get. I know there's a lot of controversy about, is this brand really for real selling the products for these prices? There's a few of the expensive brands out there that people are talking about, but personally everything I've tried from Avant I've actually really liked, so I don't know what to make of that, but I'm happy to get this. Product number 4, we have this. So this is by the brand Verso and it's a hydrating serum with niacinamide. So there's 10 mils in here and this is worth £25.64. Wow. It just says reveal a glowing complexion with the hydration serum from Verso. An anti-aging moisturiser, helps to strengthen the skin's barrier, forming a protective layer against environmental damage and providing hydration for dry skin. Use in the morning and or at night. Yeah, cool. I think I've had something from this brand in a beauty box, I can't remember which one, a few months ago. I don't know if it was this, but yeah, I'm happy to get that and give it a go. Anything for anti-aging, I am there for. I will give a go. Right guys, so now we're on to the products that it doesn't give information for. So I'm supposed to have 2 and I actually have 3 here and one of them isn't on the edit card, so we have a little freebie. Love a little freebie, but the first one I'm going to go for is the one I'm most excited about because it's by Elemis. Yeah, love Elemis. It just says here, this is a soothing apricot toner. There's 50 mils in here and it's worth £7.50. I love toners, I love Elemis, and yeah, pairing them together, I'm sure I'm gonna love this. So yeah, really happy to get this. The product I have is this. So this is by Aromatherapy Associates and it's a de-stress muscle gel. There's 40 mils that you get in here and it's worth £7. Again, I'm sure I received something like this in a beauty box a few months ago as well, I think. But it is sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed, definitely. But yeah, love a good muscle gel. I get quite sore after work. My muscles definitely get really sore after work. It's quite a manual job that I have, so I'm sure that is going to help loads. So let's just see, what does it say? Massage directly into any problem areas to experience the warming and easing powers of rosemary, black pepper, lavender and ginger, helping to soothe and recover. If it works, it sounds amazing. Hey guys, so the free product we have in the box is this. It's a sachet by the brand Aveeno, and it just says here, calm and restore for sensitive skin. It is an oat gel moisturizer. That sounds definitely interesting. It's fragrance free, so this is something I would use if I'm having a particularly sensitive day at all. Normally, I know it's a no-no, but I really like my fragrance in my products. It just makes it more fun doing skincare, but I do use non-fragrance, like I say, when I'm sensitive. And it just says instantly smooths and replenishes skin's moisture barrier, normal to dry skin. Yeah, there's 6 mils in here, so yeah, nice little brand as well. And I think Aveeno is quite an affordable brand as well, if I've got that correctly. I hope I haven't got it wrong. But yeah, that is that, guys. So this edit, the power is in the formula. The April Look Fantastic box. What do you think? Personally, I'm really liking this box. I'm glad that there is 7 products in there altogether. The sizes are quite small, but the amount kind of makes up for the fact. And there's some really good brands in there as well. So loving the fact we've got Philip Kingsley, because I love Philip Kingsley. The Avant is, what did I say it was? 50 odd pounds that is worth. That's crazy. Who would pay that for a lip balm, man? Really, really nice to get a little tea tree oil in there. That is so beneficial in so many ways. It can be used in so many ways as well. So like I was saying, I'll probably put a few drops in any oil that I put on my hair, on my scalp. Promotes hair growth. I'll probably pop a few drops in my shampoo and conditioner as well. I don't know if I would use it on my skin, because my skin can be sensitive whenever it decides to be. And yeah, elemis really, really stands out as well. But yeah, overall, I'm really liking the products. What do you think? I am happy, yeah. I think there, oh my god. Yeah, no, I am happy. It definitely gets a thumbs up from me. But yeah, comment down below and let me know your thoughts. As I say, if you are interested in purchasing this box, I'll pop a link down below in the information box and the comment box. It'll get you £5 off your first box that you order. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.